If it doesn't move like Edna, I don't want it, darling. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video, y'all are going to love when I tell you premium lace wigs is where it's at. It's where it's at. So you guys know that I love my wigs and I'm very finicky about my wigs. So when my friend Tiffany told me to check out premium lace wigs, I was like, I've never bought from them before, I don't know, but let me just try it. The prices, this bob, $85. The bob was $85. It's a 10-inch Brazilian bob with baby hairs and pre-plucked. And a lot of companies, they say, oh yeah, this is pre-plucked, and when you get it, it's not. Premium Lace Wig did the thing when they pre-plucked this wig. I didn't have to do barely anything, and you guys are gonna see the only thing I did was pluck the parting space a little bit and then created more baby hairs and then trimmed the ones that they had down. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is put the wig on your head, adjust the adjustable straps in the back, and then part the hair where you want to have it parted. So for me, I have decided to go with a middle part. They definitely did a nice job plucking. The frontal does look really nice. This is a 360 wig, so this lace goes all the way around the perimeter of the hair, and the baby hairs are nice. We're definitely gonna trim them down because they're really long, but for a beginner wig, like I said, this is a very good wig to begin with. I'm going to spray it with water. So once you have it parted, you're going to go through and we're going to pluck the middles. Most people use tweezers. I just take my fingers and wrap it around and then pull from the lace. Thank you so much for watching Johnny and the Shell. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you guys are feeling the bob. This hair is so soft, y'all. Be blessed.